Happy Friday, kiddos. Today is March 14th, or also known as Pi Day. We're going to do our mystery photo. For our bell work, we're going to do a school AI space. Then we're going to finish our notes from yesterday, do a review game, nothing but net review, and then our anchor phenomenon page. To access these tasks, you're going to click here on Friday, March 14th. Scroll down. For your bell work, you're going to click on the space. Make sure that you put your first and last name and then the period that you're in. After we clear you and we say you can go ahead and move on, you're going to answer these 3 questions. This space is meant to help you reflect on your lab, on your magnetic lab that you made, and then you answer these 3 in your lab book. For task 2, we're going to finish our notes from yesterday and turn it into Google Classroom. Then for task 3, we're going to do a little fun game. It's called Nothing But Net, and it's all about magnets. So you're going to answer questions correctly to be with the team with the most points to end the game. So we'll put you in teams with your shoulder partners, and we'll give you more instructions on this part in person. And then our last task for today is to fill out the right side of your anchor phenomenon. I know some of you might have lost it, so if you need to redo the whole thing, you're going to click here to see the demo video and image. Once you're done with that, turn that into Google Classroom. Alright guys, good luck today and have fun.